O kiumia gikundi giki kia Green Army gikoretwo gigicokanirira na kunyitanira mihang'o-ini ya gutheria tauni ya Nairobi oro undu umwe na matura mangi thiini wa kaunti ino. Umuthi mihang'o ino igutwarithagio na mbere mwena wa Westlands igitongorio ni governor wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja.
If you go to the CBD today, you'll see a marked difference because there is that deep cleaning. We have high pressure, washing with water. We have our bowsers. We have all the equipment, the tools needed. We have our refuse compactors, and we want to inculcate the culture of having a clean city. Today we're in Westlands. We're also along the major arteries of Jogoo Road. We are along Outer Ring Road. We're in the Eastland side. So there are different sub-counties. So only 7 of them are here today.
Kioneki gia tafarire no ni gutigirira aikari na hori biashara ni maraikara kundu gutheru mihang'o ino igitanyo kuguciriria aikari niguo makanyite itemi riria gikundi giki giathie gutheria matura ngurani.
Part of the problem has been clogging of drainage. In the areas where we've seen a lot of the cleanups, it stopped. But who dumps in those drainages? It's us Nairobians. And then we complain when it floods, So apart from the structural issues of just the sheer capacity of the size, which is big engineering work, just the basic responsibility. If you're driving in your car and you throw away a piece of paper, or if you have a construction site and you've blocked a waterway, we're going to deal with all of that because we must deal with it.
Na niguo gutigirira wira uria gikundi giki kiraruta ti wa tuho, Sakaja ni eranire kugathika mafufa ma kunganiria giko maria matangithukangio kana kuiywo ta uria gukoretwo gukihanika.
Let us be vigilant. Let's stand up against vandalism when we have bins and they're being vandalized or being taken away. We're now introducing a new material that is harder to steal. But if everyone cleaned the front of the house, the world would be a very clean place.
Sakaja oho ni eranire kugacirithia mirutire ya wira ya makiria ma mbeu njithi 3,500 kuhitukira kambuni njeru ya Nairobi Green Company iria riramataga maundu makonie utheru na maria maturigicirie.
Ultimately, we're building our capacity for Green Nairobi Limited, which is a company owned by the county that we formed, just like Nairobi Water Company. We have signed our waste to energy project. We're just waiting for the tariff for energy at Dandora. That'll give me more trucks, another 200 more trucks. So we will do our part, but the responsibility for a clean city belongs to all of us.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagugina, Wawaduro.